You are all mistaken.
You are all mistaken.
I wanna know where my wood is. Fire.
Green eggs and ham.
Villagers. Breaking news! I have constant. Villager number 9 is on the scene. I have villager number 40. What was it like when you discovered the situation? Shut up! Breaking news! The ground!
No shit!
9! It appears that we're being overrun by giant mobs! What? Wait!
I've got an idea.
Oh, poor villager number 80. 2, 5, 3, 1, 6,
And 7, 8.
Breaking news! A citizen has failed to return his power drill on time. What do the poor have to say?
Making toast!
But I'm making toast. 2.
I don't need an invitation.
No! Please don't hurt me!
I'm tired.
What?
Where are you going?
To get an interview! Hello, I'm villager number 9. How do you feel about the events that have happened? I use my face!
Get out of here.
One of them made a hateful comment about my sexy testicles. Whoa! Boat!
Ships.
Yay! I'm a helicopter. Get out! That's it. We're done. I'm gonna go play Villager News. There is an alien attack in progress. Some of them are sitting, and some of them are knitting, and some of them are sitting. I don't like them. We got new clothes, and there's bees, and there's bees, and there's bees, and there's bees, and bees.
I was working on a potion by making food really big. And the potion
Arrived perfectly safe. It's the beast!
running won't save you.
Yay! Hey!
Get some help.
No.
You're just a fake!
Get in the bag. Okay, let's see what's on TV.
Now I've got cartoons coming out of my brain.
Cocomelon!
Life is like a hurricane.
This is a good show.
Duckburg, race cars.
I'm here today at a building where I'm told an armed man has come. What just happened?